In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Bing AI chatbot, which is now known as Copilot, through the Google Chrome browser. Whether you're new to AI chatbots or simply curious about how to navigate this tool in Chrome, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know in a clear and friendly manner. First, let's tackle the name change. Bing AI chatbot has been rebranded as Copilot, so if you see references to Copilot, you'll know it's the same tool. To get started, open your Google Chrome browser and head to your favorite search engine. Simply type in Copilot and press Enter. As you scan through the search results, look for the entry that directly pertains to this AI tool. Usually, this will be an official link or one that stands out in its relevance. With just a click, you'll be well on your way to accessing the chatbot. Now that you've found it, let's dive into actually using Copilot. Once you're on the web page, you'll typically see an interface that's intuitive and user-friendly. If you're familiar with other AI tools, you'll notice right away that Copilot has a similar layout, designed to make your interaction as smooth as possible. Take a moment to get familiar with the look and feel of the page. It helps to understand the interface before you ask your questions, making sure you're comfortable with how the responses are presented. Next comes the fun part, asking Copilot anything you'd like. Just the way you interact with most AI chatbots, the key to a good experience is crafting clear and concise questions or prompts. Think about what information or assistance you need and type it into the chat. For example, you might ask it to help with a homework problem, to find a recipe, or even to generate creative writing prompts. Don't be shy. This tool is designed to handle a wide range of inquiries, so feel free to test its limits. Remember that part of the experience is interactive, so if you don't quite get the answer you need, try rephrasing your question or providing more details for better results. This AI system thrives on context and specifics, which can lead to more accurate and useful responses. That's essentially all there is to getting started with Copilot using your Google Chrome browser. With these simple steps, you now have the tools to explore and utilize an advanced AI companion right at your fingertips. Whether you're working, learning, or just exploring the capabilities of AI, Copilot is there to assist. Have fun experimenting with it and discovering just how helpful this technology can be in your everyday life. Thank you for watching, and feel free to explore more of what Copilot has to offer.